Hey guys, in today's video, we're downloading the Nintendo app right here on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. So let's get started. Go right to your App Store. In your App Store, you're going to see on the far right hand side, on the bottom, it says search. So just search and search up here for Nintendo. Once we hit Nintendo, you're going to see your second option. Usually the first option is always an ad, but only in some cases, the first option will actually be the one that you want. Anyways, let's just scroll down. You're going to see this option. This is Nintendo. So we're going to go on and tap on get. Once you tap on get, it's going to begin the download. Now let me just show you something. So I want to show you how big this is. And this is a really small app. So if I scroll down, I'm going to see that it's only 50 megabytes. Not going to take up too much space. We can also see which iPads, iPhones, and iPod Touches is compatible with. So as long as you guys have iOS 12 and over, you're good to go. So that includes iPad OS 12.0. That will work just fine. So just make sure your iPhones, iPads, or iPod Touches are up to date and you should be good to go. We can just scroll up. This is done. We can just open up the app and begin. Anyways, right now this will give you a quick demo of what you can do, which is awesome. That's a good thing about the app itself. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.